If you're someone who's into gig work, you know that it can be a bit unpredictable. One day you're making great money, and the next things can be slow, leaving you scrambling to make up for lost hours. That's where the Solo app comes in to give you a bit of peace of mind and stability. Solo uses a lot of data and smart predictions to help you optimize your gig schedule and, most importantly, increase your earnings. One of the things that really stands out about Solo is the way it gives you a forecast of how much you can make per hour based on real-time data from gig platforms like Uber, DoorDash, and Instacart. It's not just a guess. The app uses over 400 million data points to make its predictions, meaning the advice it gives you on when to work is based on a pretty solid foundation. If you follow the schedule the app suggests, it says you can earn up to 40% more per hour. That's a pretty significant boost, especially when you're already juggling different gigs. The pay prediction feature is pretty clever too. It gives you a guaranteed pay prediction for your daily work. This means that if you end up earning less than the predicted amount, Solo will actually pay you the difference at the end of the week. It's like a safety net for gig workers, which is pretty reassuring, especially when earnings can fluctuate so wildly. And while you can start using Solo for free, they do offer subscription plans for access to even more features like extra credits to guarantee pay on top of the free offerings. Another useful feature is how Solo helps you manage your income and expenses. The app automatically tracks your earnings across different platforms and even lets you log additional income from non-app based gigs like babysitting or dog walking. It also tracks your mileage, which is a big deal when it comes to maximizing your tax deductions at the end of the year. The app gives you a real-time view of your federal and state taxes based on your income and expenses, so there are no surprises come tax season. There are some minor downsides though. The app is mostly available in certain cities, so if you're in a more rural area, you might not have access to all the features. Additionally, while the free version is great, if you want to make use of the full features like guaranteed pay, you'll need to subscribe. The pay guarantee system uses credits, and if you need more than what's included with this subscription, you'll have to buy additional credits. In conclusion, Solo is a fantastic tool for anyone in the gig economy who's looking for a little more certainty and a lot more control over their earnings. It makes it easy to schedule your time, track your income, and maximize your pay, all while taking some of the guesswork out of your workday. If you're tired of the unpredictable nature of gig work, Solo might just be the app that gives you a bit more stability and helps you earn more without the stress.